How quickly can you spot a bird? I've managed to spot a big one. There you go, we are in another Christmas market. And we are in Chiswick House and Garden. Let's have a look. We've met the lady that makes the mandalas.
If you ever spend Christmas on Christmas Island,
I forgot to get it in Ealing.
you will never
Yeah, you spent all your money. Maybe you can get a scarf from here. Oh, these are
The earrings.
really beautiful.
I use real flowers, so it's pressed flowers inside.
You make it?
So the pressed flowers at the moment I buy them,
Okay.
but I'm trying more and more to press them myself.
Yes.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
So I think long term I want to press everything.
That's really nice.
Yeah, at the moment it's half I would say.
Yeah, it's really amazing. My friend was getting married and I bought her one. She loved it. It was very unique, you know,
Yeah.
because flowers will die eventually.
Yeah. And that's like the aim, that to keep them.
Exactly, you want
forever in
something to
resin.
last, isn't it?
Because
So-
even in basically if they are in contact with the air,
Uh-huh.
even if they are pressed, at
Yes.
some point they will like get brown a bit.
Yes.
But in resin, it's like a way to capture color.
It's amazing. I think next is the car. It's too cold. It's very, very cold. I liked Richmond more. I think 'cause in Richmond it was really like small area. You can see everything, everyone. I don't know. Maybe it's colder here. I'm not sure.